What's the meaning of compliance? Compliance. Compliance.
Compliance. Compliance. Compliance refers to the act of following rules, laws, policies, or agreements that have been established by an external authority. It involves conforming to a set of standards or guidelines to ensure that actions are in line with legal and ethical requirements. Compliance can encompass various aspects of business operations, including financial reporting, data protection, and workplace safety. Failure to comply with these requirements can result in legal or financial consequences such as fines, sanctions, or damage to reputation. Ensuring compliance requires companies to implement robust internal controls and monitoring systems to detect and prevent non-compliant behavior.